Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel QA Pulse, where quality meets precision. Today we are diving into retesting and regression testing, two types of testing that ensure our software continues to perform at its best. Let's break these two testing strategies down in a way that makes sense. Retesting verifies that specific bugs which were reported by a tester have been fixed in the latest build, whereas regression testing ensures that the recent code changes have not accidentally affected the existing functionalities. Retesting only focuses on failed test cases from previous runs to confirm the bug is resolved, whereas regression testing involves testing the entire application or affected areas to confirm no issue were introduced. Retesting only re-executes the failed test cases, whereas regression testing uses a mix of old and new test cases to validate overall stability. Retesting is done manually most of the time, whereas regression testing is often automated, especially for larger applications, to save time and ensure consistency. Retesting is conducted after the development team has resolved reported bugs, whereas regression testing is conducted after code merges, enhancements, or bug fixes to ensure the application remains intact. Now I will give you an example. Imagine your software is like a party house. Your first guests, which are the testers, find out that the cake tasted like cardboard. You went back to the kitchen, made another one, and now you are tasting it again. Retesting is about verifying if the specific has been fixed. You only focus on that cake. That means only specific test case. While you were busy fixing the kitchen, you accidentally knocked over a vase, unplugged the speakers, and locked the bathroom room. Regression testing ensures that while fixing one thing, you haven't accidentally broken everything else. It's like checking the whole house after making a small change to ensure the party can still happen. So, my dear guys, understanding these differences will help you optimize your QA strategy, ensuring both stability and accuracy in software delivery. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much, guys.